How to add Hotjar to Nextjs. Open your Hotjar account and sign into your dashboard. Go to your site list and choose the site you want to track. Find the tracking code section and copy your Hotjar site ID. Open your Nextjs project on your computer. Go to the app folder and open the layout file for editing. Import the script component from NextScript at the top of the file. Scroll to the bottom area of the layout return section. Place a script tag using the script component with After Interactive Strategy. Paste the Hotjar tracking code inside the script tag. Replace the site ID placeholder with your actual Hotjar site ID. Save the layout file after adding the script code. Run your Nextjs project to confirm the script is loading properly. Deploy your Nextjs project to your hosting platform. Check your Hotjar dashboard to see if data is being received. Thank you for watching.